Let's go ahead and review Q by Substrata. It lets you use AI to optimize sales emails and close more B2B deals. Get 10% off Appsumo lifetime deal in every deal. Details and description below. Q by Substrata uses a social signal processing AI engine to analyze email sales conversations, helping you close more deals. Trained on tens of millions of data points, Q by Substrata pulls back the curtain in every email-based sales conversation. You can tap into your prospect's real attitude and sentiment, get clarity on how you are being perceived, and take actions that drive sales. Figure out where your prospect stands and get immediate guidance on the next best step to take, so you can win the deal. Q by Substrata can assess how deals will be perceived with deep learning, which lets you push the sale forward using the right signals. It's easy to simulate a high-ticket close before you hit send. Simply analyze email drafts to determine the interactions that could derail your success. You'll get instant suggestions on how to improve your responses and modify everything until your script passes the simulation. With Performance Q, you can evaluate your communication patterns and optimize your future sales outreach. Take a broader look at your overall behavioral patterns, including response time, estimated tendencies, and sentiment. Plus, you'll be able to review qualitative and quantitative insights on your upper hand ratio, responsiveness, empathy, competence, and sentiment. Q by Substrata also lets you review messages, assessments, time analysis, and word count analysis to break down your performance step by step. Identify overlooked behavioral patterns that can make or break a pitch, so you can learn from any missed opportunities. You'll even have access to the Selling Zone feature, which helps to improve your pitch and achieve the closed-won status every time. Without proper analysis, your sales interactions can feel like a shot in the dark. This pitch worked on my mom, so it's gotta be good. Lucky for you, Q by Substrata analyzes every interaction with a prospect to optimize your closing, making it the perfect AI-powered tool for your sales tech stack. Learn how to win every deal. Get lifetime access to Q by Substrata today.